What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are reviewing our gorgeous butterfly locks from Toyotress. I think that's how you pronounce it. They were so kind enough to send me a couple packs of their 30-inch butterfly locks. Y'all, I asked for the longest inches they had, but I thought the longest was 20 because that's what they showed me on their Amazon link. And then when I got the package, it was 36 inches. So yes, but I am going to show you how I installed these. We did do the crochet method. I love it. I cannot wait to take a bomb maternity picture with these on. I just want to show you guys how long they come. I'm out of breath because I'm cooking, outside taking pictures, and recording Snapchats. I mean, not Snapchats, but TikToks. I'm working today, okay? But this is how long, like, they are past, hold on, let me move. Like, they're still, like, longer than my booty. But they look so good. Hey, belly. So I'm gonna show you guys the belly button today. But I am obsessed with them. But it was a process, okay? In the video that I do show you guys of me installing them, I did not braid my hair because I cannot part my own hair for anything. So yeah, just bear with me. And then I will show you guys some hairstyles. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Toyotress for sending us these gorgeous butterfly locks. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey y'all, so in this video we are doing some butterfly locks. Thank you to Toyotress. They sent us these long 36-inch butterfly locks. They're super long. I did not know how to function with hair this long, but as you can see, my hair is already parted. I cannot part my own hair, so I had my little sister do it for me. It's not the best, so I'm not even going to show you guys how we parted it, but these are crochet. So we did part my hair half up, half down. We braided the back into cornrows, and in the front we sectioned off each piece into little squares, and then we braided them, connected it to each other. I'll leave a tutorial down below on which we followed, and all we did was take the lock, crocheted it into my hair, and then pulled it straight on through. I really can't show you exactly how we parted it because I didn't record that part, but as you can see, this is how we did the crochet part. There's also lots of videos you can watch if you can't get it from here, but the crochet part was the most easiest part for us to do. The hardest part was us braiding my hair. I also did use 8 packs of hair, and the hair was so long it completed my entire head. I do have a really big head, but I absolutely love this hairstyle. I cannot wait to try a shorter version because with me being pregnant, with it being summer outside, it's just too hot. Okay, so this is one hairstyle. We just have it kind of half up, half down. I just pulled 2 strands to the front. I love the way that this is looking. This is probably going to be my go-to with this. Let me show you another one. All right, and now we have half up, half down, but with a bun. This is so cute. It's giving me, what is it giving me? I don't know what it's giving me, but I just want to go outside and take a picture again. Let's see what else we can do. You can also do hotties on. All right, and then this is also probably going to be another go-to because it's just so simple. We have a gorgeous side part moment. Hey. I really do like this hair. I cannot wait to go to like the beach or the pool and take I just envision this bomb maternity picture with this hair, and I just cannot wait. But yeah, I just want to shout out Toyotress for sending your girl these inches, 36 inches to be exact. I don't think I've ever had this long hair of like any type of hair in my head. So this has like, I'm I don't feel like me. Like, I look in the mirror and I'm like, who is she? Because she ain't me. But yeah, once again, thank you guys for tuning in into today's video, and I cannot wait to see you in my next ones. Bye.